Assad, and if you're ready to make waves in the crypto world, you've struck gold. In this gig, but hold on, it doesn't end there. I'll not only bring your tokens to life but also deliver custom smart contracts and a sleek website for your token's presale and launchpad dashboard. Using Web3 technology. Now, you might be asking, why choose me? Well, buckle up. With mastery in Solidity, Web3.js, and Node.js, I've navigated the intricacies of all EVM-based blockchains and smart contracts. I'm here for you. Reach out, let us discuss your token's unique needs. And guess what? I'm just a message away, available for meetings right here on Fiverr. Together, let us turn your blockchain vision into a living reality. I'm Assad, ready to make your mark in the crypto space. Let us dive in.